What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. We're back. All right, so now what I'm going to be doing is basically dropping everything from the other car. Motor, trans, drive shaft, all that stuff. I will tell you this is probably going to be all over the place because I am trying to get this thing done as quick as possible. So just bear with me. It might be, video might seem all over the place, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this stuff knocked out.
Alright, so the homeboy Neil did actually come over and help me. Started off getting the drive shaft out. Well, unbolted at that. Because it was a little tight tolerance, so I wasn't able to pull it out. But here you can see us getting everything unplugged. Uh, Starting to mess with everything. Pretty much soon, we started to get the tires off, the suspension off, getting this thing ready to drop. But that's pretty much it. It's like the whole entire time, we're just trying to figure out, what needs to come apart and what doesn't need to come apart. Even when we dropped the motors, like we still had some lines in the back of the motor and all that stuff, which you'll see shortly in a second. It's like right here.
Ooh, that sun. Ooh. All right, as you can see, we got the motor out. Well, motor and transmission. Definitely found a few things that I am not happy with that I've seen from the shop. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end up showing it once I start going over the motor and everything, making sure everything on that is good. But before I fully pull this thing out, got to get the drive shaft out because it was a tight tolerance. So it's kind of wedged in there, so I had to drop the motor and the trans just to be able to get that off. So once again, let me get to work, get this thing fully out and start prepping the other car for the stuff to go in. So right back.
Alright, so here, trying to get the motor completely out because we can't lift up the car any more than what it is because we're on dirt. So we had to get rid of this little part that got pushed in, which I had to break out the sawzall, which it kind of ran through blades because it was all jacked up. But I went ahead and get that cut away, just about. Yeah, use anything as a hammer. Everything is a hammer. But finally got that piece cut off here. Was able to move it. So
All right, so the motor and trans is basically out. Right now I got to sit it on some blocks because, yeah, engine hoist kind of got a little messed up. Just a little bit. But I already bought new wheels for it and some spares, but don't need to do that part right now. So now I need to get that one prepped. For all the other stuff like the clutch line, I need to remove the automatic gear shifter out of that one because it was automatic, and then also run all of these lines, especially with the wiring harness, run all that stuff. So, oh, and the clutch. Actually, I'm gonna do the whole pedal assembly because this one, like I said, is an automatic, but it being the E46. Oh, they want my door. Well, it being an E46, it does have just that one pedal. Well, two, because brake. But go ahead and get this, get to work. Alright, so I got a little bit of work done. Apparently the GoPro does not like to be hot. It is currently like 100 and I think it said 101 out here, and every like about 2 minutes it will cut itself off. So I'm gonna just give you periodically updates, which on this one I went ahead and stripped all the wiring specialties harness off of this side. Took me a long time. I thought they had this little box that was right there screwed in, but it was taped in and it was a bitch to get off. But yeah, got that off, all that wiring. Got the pedal assembly out, which now I'm gonna just go ahead and start putting the stuff back on to this car, so it feels like I do it like making some type of progress. But I'm gonna try to set you back on time lapse. So yeah. All right, good progress for today. Feel like I got a lot done, even though it doesn't seem like it's a lot. To me, it was a lot from dealing with all this heat. I'll flip you around real quick. So, all the wiring specialty harness is out, including the ECU and all that stuff. It was a bitch getting the wiring harness through here. Like, I ended up snipping the OEM harness, which just controls all the lights and stuff, even though it doesn't matter because this car is junk after I finished getting everything out of it. But yeah, got all that out. Got the pedal assembly out, which is right over here, just chilling. Waiting for one more thing. And then on here, I got the driver's side wiring pretty much ran. Pretty much. So I'll say, good progress for today. Hopefully I can get the wiring harness in tomorrow, get everything plumbed up, and then it's go time. It's time to drop this motor in. But I'm gonna end it here for me today. Ooh, mosquito. Yeah, definitely gonna end it here for me today. But for y'all, it's gonna be obviously another second. Probably in. All right, update time. Seeing as GoPro does not like heat, pretty much got a lot done. I've got a lot done. So all the wires, stock wires, all ran. Pick this up for the day. But yeah, all that's ran. ABS is almost done. We just got to get all the clips and stuff to hold it in. Even the hoses, the coolant hoses, it's just about done. I just got to get ready. Well, figure out where those lines go for the ABS module. Then also, which took me a long time because for some reason it wasn't setting up straight and I couldn't get it on right. But I got the pedals all mounted up. Just need to get some bolts and some nuts for the clutch reservoir. Ooh, hot. And that is it. I guess that's y'all update for now until it starts to get cooler to where I can actually start recording. Alright, this is probably the last update for the E46. Hey Stella, I ain't even see you there. Huh. She's just sitting there hiding. Huh. Well, I believe the last update is when I ran all the wires and all that stuff, and all I had left to do was basically the ECU, which I got that. Oh, the sun! Which I got that done, squared away, and I'll show you real quick. Oh, copyright! Hold on. Pause you. Oh, that's basically it right there. Wires coming through the firewall. Wires are kind of tight, basically because of the fuse box that comes from this wire. You know, everything hooks up straight. Pretty straightforward so far. Gonna figure out once I get the motor in and start trying to start this thing up. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Throw up whatever clips I had of this whole install because it's all over the place. All over the place, like I said in the beginning of the video. But yeah, until next time, peace.